my friends and citizens. Welcome once again to Master Asador YouTube channel. My name is Gustavo, and today we're going to have something that people have been asking for, which is empanadas. We're going to make my own style, which is from Cordoba, right in the middle of Argentina. And each province in Argentina has its own style with its own different fillings, and I'm gonna use my the one that the area where I come from, which is distinctive from the others. So this is gonna be really nice and fun, and we're gonna proceed with the ingredients. Okay, so this is gonna be beef empanadas. So we have a ground beef. In this case, is a chuck tender. You can use any cut, let's say. Try to make it lean. In this case, it's very lean. It's probably like 90%, 90-something% meat, very little fat, because we're gonna use the juices from the vegetables to give it a nice flavor. And we have onions, green onion, eggs, hard-boiled eggs, raisins, cumin, paprika, salt and pepper, olives, and this for the empanadas. We're also going to use oil for frying. So now we're going to proceed to cut all the ingredients, get them ready, and we're going to start cooking them so you can see. Okay, the onions is almost done. We don't need to cook it too much, just a little bit until it's translucent and it's a little soft. So now we're going to incorporate the meat little by little, like that. We're going to mix it up. So now we're going to let it cook until the meat is done, and in a little while we're going to incorporate the raisins on, because usually people put sugar on it, a couple tablespoons, but we're going to use the same natural sugar from the raisins to give a little balance with the saltiness. Okay, so now we're gonna leave it, and it's already cooked. We're gonna let it cool off, and then we're gonna add the cumin. Because what happens is when you add the cumin and it's hot and you cook it, then you start repeating the cumin. It doesn't have a good taste. So when it's cold, you have to add it on when the filling is cooked. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna. This is the cumin. As you can see, it's no longer hot anymore. Slightly, still a little warm, not much, but it's on the cold side. So we're gonna mix it up and mix a little bit more, because this is gonna be the extra final flavor for this, which is used very much where I come from to give the distinctive flavor and a little bit of character also for this empanada. That usually, well, you probably buy empanadas anywhere right now, but everybody has its own way to make them. And well, you choose whatever you feel identified with. But this is, you don't find this type very often in here because, like I said, it comes from that specific region in Argentina where I come from, city named Belleville, and all these ingredients make a really great filling. And you see now we're going to start filling them up and closing them, and you'll see how good they're. This, and then we're going to use some piece of olive on it, and now we're going to proceed to close it up. So you see we just go halfway with the water. Now we fold it, make sure the plastic is out, so we stick both sides like this, like it should be. And now we're going to go and fold them up. Like that. Here you go. Alright, so here we go. We're going to start frying them. Friends, here the beef empanada, the last product, final product. Let's take a bite. Fabulous. I don't know if you can see much, it's getting a little dark. The flavor is perfect. We have the sweetness of the raisins and the savory of all the meat and all the spices, and it's not greasy at all. It has all the flavor of the onions cooked. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you like the video. And until the next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.